double then swap and backup camera install on a 2007 Yukon. The Denali. Let's get it. Alright, so we got the faceplate removed. Take that off. Now we're gonna hit these 7 mils on the side. There, right there. Down here and down here, because it's all connected together. So, yep, we'll be right back. Right. Start here, here. It's a little tight back there, but you get the picture. Go ahead and get all this disconnected, and we'll be right back. All these Bluetooth back here, and you can go straight to it from right here. So it's not gonna play it from your phone. You gotta come here.
Alright. I don't know how. We need Matt for that.